Hey YouTube, welcome back to today's Roblox video. Today we are back playing Jailbreak and with my new avatar. As you see, I have no anthro. Never mind. Are you sure about that? No, I put the somewhat arms and legs at the left arm and the right leg as arthroskeletons because I like arthro. You're gonna hate me for that, but I like arthro. And I wanted to be normal noob again, so I just decided to put skeleton arms on myself. Put skeleton arms and legs on myself. But, that's good. I updated my avatar forever. If you want to see, go here. Avatar. Loading. There, avatar forever. Look at my thing. Click it. Let's see our costume. Nothing changed. Ooh, subliminal label. Nothing changes. Let's just go back and playing the game. I have a Christmas outfit, but I have to put that on in December. Oh no, my car's faster than yours. Come on, get back here. No, he crashed into me. That's not fair. Let's see if Rocket Fuel can beat him. Woo! I can fly. Oh my god. Oh my god. I made it to the museum. What the heck? That was awesome. Wait, come on. Oh my god. I beat this Lambo to the museum. 3 million visits to the live 2 billion update. Yes, YouTube. That's it. That's right. Really cool. I could fly now. No one's robbing the museum. Great job. Please. Some people suck. Let's go get the Bugatti. Ow. You hurt my feelings, game. You trash game. The jailbreak cam is broke because this is regular car mode. Oh, that's regular car mode. You jump out, that's what your camera looks like. Asimo and Betsy C, fix that, please. I'll give you 5. I'll give you 1 tier. I'll give you things. I'll give you what's it called again? Is there a cop here? Never mind. I'll give you a vault safe. Oh geez, it's Zeph Plays. At least it looked like Zeph, even though it's not because there's no start verified thingy. Go do 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 do. Go to the back, even though I don't have a key card. Where are you going, kid? I need my Bugatti. Gee, I almost have enough to buy another one of those. I'm so sad. I'm saving for that new ambulance. Coming at 3 million visits. Oh, hey, kid! I squish your car every day. Get wrecked. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Oh my god, who are you? You're the trash cop. Die, fool! Give me your key card. Where is it? It's gone. I saw it. Wow, this game's trash. I have a 200 bounty, even though I didn't rob nothing. That was wrong grammar. Even though I didn't rob anything. Whoa! Drifting down this way. Oh my god, who are you? No, get out of my car. No. No. If you're a fan, I'll let you in. Someone help at the museum. Yeah, I'm coming. Coming. I'm coming. Can I join with you? No, you can't join with me. I'm gonna kill you on Roblox, my epic game server. Guys, don't trust otters. If you see them, do what the Elder Outbreak 2, the Otter 2, the Outbreak says. Oh my God, no, cop! Oh no! No, don't get flung out the map! Come on, get up! What am I doing? No! I told you no! Where are you flinging me to? The river? Oh my gosh! What was that? We just witnessed Leo's a Shy Guy, a YouTuber that's not famous, got flung into space with by a thing. But yeah, I'm sorry I haven't uploaded so long. Sorry, I haven't been up to date with my upload schedule thing. Cause I just saw I haven't uploaded in 5 days, so I was gonna upload yesterday, but I couldn't, and I'm uploading today for my like 15 view channel. I don't care. At least people view it. Wee. Oh jeez. Nope. Roblox is my dad. I'm gonna ban you then. If you don't stop playing Roblox, go to the museum. Maybe people survived. Not like me. Oh geez. Oh, I did it. Oh, I even know I didn't do nothing. So the sucker is still there. Where's that secret criminal base? That's secret. Yeah. Where is that? It's probably on the other road down there. Dude, your car's slow. There's my Bugatti. Oh my God, it's back. Oh geez, a cop's here. You're not cutting away with him. Pew 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 pew. Shock him, boy. I'm gonna snipe you. No, you killed my friend. You're not coming away with you. Yeah, hide in the soccer net. Oh my God, no! What are you doing? This kid. Run! What are you doing, kid? Nope. Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide, buddy. Oh shoot, he's hurting me! No! Oh my God. No! That's the worst way to end it. Okay. I rage quit. Now let's join our Alex the Gamer and Zombie Hunter. Quick, before the video ends. We have a minute. Roblox, go. Don't go lag on me, please. I have 45 seconds. Go. Yes, join it. Come on. This game sucks. I have to leave it after. Boy. There's Andrew. Boy. And hi. And bye. What is this game? Where is my arms? Okay, see you guys in the next video. Bye.